Okay, so good morning. Sorry for this late posting aning as promised no regarding the conversion of text image to text via Windows 2010. So just neglect the noise. You know how it is when you're at home. Okay, so ang imong button first is kini siya. So I'll give you an example. File here is kini, no? So kini siya is imo ni siyang i copy paste. So of course no pwede ka malibog after kuan is imo ni siyang i-change into numbers to sequence. So imo after that kung na number na is imo ni siyang i-copy paste sa word. So here it is. No? Just simply copy paste sa word. Yes, literally copy paste nimo sa word. Okay? Then so like that. No? Just to give an example. Then here this one. No? So I'll just start this two. So don't be too conscious kung kung ano siya. I mean, it will eat too much space pero maka-adjust ka na. Then after that, no, imo siyang you go to save as. So we'll just go to the desktop. So and of course, file name nimo is dapat specific po siya. So kini siya is for my AS135 image to text. Okay, so one. Okay, since this will be a series of file. Okay, then of course then ngari ka sa PDF. So save to PDF nimo. So it is now being saved into PDF. No? So let's close this, and this one is of course is don't save na ka. Kaya na save to PDF naman. So remember ha, 1 and 2 to siya ang nabutang dito. So then na siya, PDF. Okay? So how are we going to change this into text? Simple. Okay? Go to Word. See this open. Click open. And of course, asa to gi-save? So desktop. No? So asa man to sa desktop. Double click na lang ka diha. Then go here, desktop. Let's find that. Okay, this one, no? AS135 image to text. Open that. Then just click OK when this pop up. So Word is now changing. Okay, so here now, see? Nahimo na siya nga text. So imong button karon is imo lang ni siyang i-copy. So let's try ha. Open ka bagong account, siyempre imo siyang i-organize or as is na siya diha. So it could be this imong tarungon, but no, imo siyang i-copy just to show you nga Word na gina siya. Okay? Or this one here. Okay? And enter. See, kaysa mag-encode ka ani tanan, so you just copy paste it. Okay, I can copy all of this, no, and put it here as is like that, or since madala man sa as is, so to the font. See, so that's it. Okay, so of course I don't know kung work ba ni siya sa other Microsoft Word, but in MS 2010 definitely may work siya. Okay, so I'll be uploading this and sending this now. Thank you.